Thank you, Revati. Good morning, all. Chief guest of the evening, Mr. Samir Bharatram, producer, director, and entrepreneur. Young Achiever awardees, Master Stephen Samuel Devasi and Ms. Tiashi Vatul. Dear Assistant Governor Rotarian Devi Krishna, who is on the Zoom platform. Sponsor of this award, our own Rotarian, Past President Murugavel Selvan. Chairman of this award, Rotarian Vijay Kamalakara. Secretary, Rotarian Mahesh Pattabhiraman. Director of Youth Services, Rotarian Puneet Sampath. Rotarians and Sanets, district officials, families of Stephen and Tiasha, invited guests present here, and all those on Zoom, and members of the media. A very warm welcome to all of you. Young Achiever Award is a much awaited, exciting and prestigious award conferred by RCMA since 2011, every year to promising youngsters from various fields. By conferring this award to youngsters, we excel in the chosen field due to sheer dint of their hard work and prodigious talent. RCMA believes that this would further motivate youngsters to passionately pursue their field and achieve excellence. This year, we are proud to have Stephen Samuel Devasi and Tiasha Vatul join us for this elite list as worthy recipients. The rhythm of daily action and practice, aligned with audacious goals, creates a momentum that transforms ordinary youngsters to super achievers. And today, we have in our midst two such super achievers at such a young age and still raring to go and achieve even more. Stephen is a child prodigy with academic skills, acclaimed skills in drums and singing. His performance on the stage is electrifying and is one of the fastest drummers. Tiasha is yet another child prodigy, an equestrian representing India in international arenas, winning several championships. We are indeed honored and proud of you both, Steve and Tiasha. Hearty congratulations, and thank you for accepting to be the recipient of this exciting award from Rotary Club of Madras East. We look forward to hearing from both of you on your spectacular journey a little later in the event. We are very fortunate today to have as chief guest Mr. Samir Bharatram, a film producer and an entrepreneur with interest in films, studios, and hospitality. Welcome, sir, and thank you for gracing this with this occasion. And we are truly overjoyed to welcome the sponsor for today's event, our own immediate past president, Rotarian Murugavel Selvan, and his family. Thank you, Selvan, for your tremendous support for the club through the years. Rotary Club of Madras East is in its 37th year, with 177 members from various walks of life, is a front runner in service projects and family participation. This vibrant club focuses on service avenues which make a material impact on the lives and livelihoods of the underprivileged in the society. At RCME, we focus on community service development, including literacy and education, water and sanitation, healthcare, vocational service skilling, environment protection, and youth development. RCME has completed over 50 crores worth of service projects over the years across all these avenues. We work with government agencies, education institutions, NGOs, hospitals, and broader community and actively engage with them. We raise funds by tapping into CSR funds of corporates, donors from RCME, and well-wishers, as well as through Global Grant, which is a matching grant by the Rotary Foundation. We have built school infrastructure, including smart classes. We have built libraries, science labs, toilets, and also impact digital training for the teachers. As digital education is the way forward, we at Rotary Club of Madras East are installing smart class infrastructure, providing interactive LED display with the learning content to Vivekananda Educational Society, which has got close to 24 schools under that umbrella, and they have more than 10,000 students, and other identified schools at a cost of rupees 1.5 crores. Additionally, we conduct skilling programs for the underprivileged youth, men and women. We conduct leadership programs and provide career guidance for the youth. At our Vocational Excellence Center in Thorepakam and Alvarpet, we are increasing capacity by adding more students, where we teach plumbing, tailoring, tally, financial services, BPO, paramedical, and baking. As we talk, welcome Sahith, our Occasional Service Director. I'm talking about your revenue and the great achievement. And also Sahith has been tirelessly working in this last 1 week because we had our center is affected by rain, and day in and day out Sahith and his team is working hard to drain the rainwater. So in environment, lake restoration, Miyawaki Forest in Nagaram and Peragudi and Nutri Gardens at Taramani, a project which is worth more than 1.5 crores, are the flagship projects in the environment sector. All these projects have started and are gaining momentum with the support of well-wishers, Rotary Club of Madras East donors and CSR funding. We hope to complete all this in the next 8 months and fulfill our burning desire to serve, to change lives. I welcome you all once again to this prestigious Young Achiever Award function. Please sit back, relax and enjoy the rest of the proceedings. Thank you.
We request our Chief Guest Samir Bharat Ram, President Srinivasa Rao awardee and awardee Tiyasha to step forward for the award presentation.
Hi everybody. Firstly, I would start off by saying that was an amazing introduction and video. Thank you so much. Little did I know I would get this far. I started riding at the age of 4.5 and started competing locally at the age of 7. Fast forward to today and I'm here competing on international arenas and competing nationally as well, training with some of the best instructors and training facilities in India and both abroad. I'm going to be competing for the Youth Olympic Trials in less than a month right now, so I'm very grateful for that. I'm even more grateful for being nominated for this award and being recognized for all my achievements and hard work so far. I would like to thank the Rotary Club of Madras East and my friends and family and everyone else who supported me so much to make this journey such an amazing and memorable one. Thank you so much.
You know what? We have actually forgotten the sequence of events itself after that performance. We actually should have had the citation read before the award was given. And therefore, I regret my mishap over there. Can I invite Divya Siddharth to read the citation for the award that was given?
Respected Rotarians and Honorable Chief Guest, it is a great honor for me for being here at the Rotary Club of Madras East. Hi, I'm Stephen Samuel and I thank all of you for being here. First, I would like to thank the Young Achiever Award Committee for selecting me and also Gavel Selvan Sir for sponsoring this award. And also, I would like to thank Vijay Kamalakara Uncle for coordinating everything. I also congratulate Tiyasha, who has also won this award along with me. This award matters a lot to us as it comes from Rotary, which is a world-famous organization for promoting peace, providing healthcare facilities, providing education, hygiene, sanitation, vaccination, etc. Thank you, Rotary, for this award. Actually, I feel I was lucky to receive this award for my talent, which was identified earlier. So I would like to thank God, my parents, and all my teachers who have supported me a lot. So I would like to mention some of their names. S.V. Ramani sir, who has been my Mridangam teacher. Ashok Kumar sir, who has been my drum teacher. And I would also like to thank Srira Jatan, who has been my vocal teacher. My parents have sacrificed a lot and worked so hard to provide me the best equipment and best facilities as possible. Moreover, they allowed me to choose my zone and also allowed me to spend more time on it without compromising on my academics as well. So please give them a big hand. My areas of drums and percussion needs secure pitch and tempo as well. So it needs a lot of practicing as well as discipline. So this award has already motivated me a lot to do more great things for our motherland, India. And thank you, Rotary, once again for this. Thank you. Thank you.
So this award is sponsored by immediate past President Murugavel Selvan, my dad. So I request him to facilitate the awardees, please.
Thank you, Sivan. And I was talking to him earlier. Stephen had 64 million, and Sivan was saying, "I have 1,000 views. I have 1,000 views." Well, good afternoon, everyone. First of all, it's very nice to see that we're able to celebrate this Young Achiever Award sponsored by me and my family. Today, November 14th, which is also Children's Day, fitting that two remarkable young youths are receiving this award on this day. Congratulations, Tiasha and Stephen, on your remarkable accomplishments at such young ages. I wish nothing but the best for you in your careers as you move forward. The one advice I can give you is keep putting in the efforts, keep learning and performing. The awards and recognitions will follow. Don't worry too much about winning or losing. I actually call it winning or learning. When you win, it is a great feeling, but when you lose, you learn a lot and what to correct and improve for the next time. So keep focusing on your passions, riding horses or playing drums, and I'm sure just like these awards that you get nationally, a lot of it is waiting for you globally in the future years. They've spoken a lot about this award, and so I'm not going to go into all the details. But many youngsters like Lydian, the pianist, and Ramkumar Ramanathan, the tennis ace, have all gone on to become prominent performers in the global stage. So I'm sure not only more state and national awards await you, but also prominence in a global stage is awaiting. I wish you both all the very best in the years to come. I also now take this opportunity to thank our chief guest, Mr. Samir Bharatram, to be here this afternoon. I'm sure your presence will inspire these youngsters all the more. Thanks to President Srinivas Rao and the board, and really to all of RCME for giving me and my family this opportunity to sponsor such an important and impactful award year on year. So thank you, RCME, and I promise to do this in the years to come as well. Thank you. A show like this cannot be put up without a big team working diligently behind the scenes. Thanks to the Youth Services Director Puneet and Awards Chairman Vijay and team for all their efforts. Pandemic, cyclone, technical difficulties come, what may, we at RCME overcome all the challenges and carry it out in such a meticulous way as always. So thank you all for conducting this Young Achiever Award in such a meticulous manner. Lastly, before I end, I would like to recognize the parents of both the awardees who are here today. So please stand up and get recognized. We all know academic takes center stage most of the time, but really wonderful to see parents who allow their children to excel in their own passions, be it sports or music. I was joking, Stephen was able to perform, and too bad we were not able to bring a horse inside the hall. I'm sure Tiasha would have done equally well. So keep up the good work, and thank you again all for being here this afternoon. Thank you.
I think it just gives us an opportunity to have a fellowship to see her ride her horse. So please arrange that, IPP. So Samir Bharatram, does he really need an introduction to the Chennai Circle? No. But because his name precedes him. However, protocol demands an introduction, and here we have Anna Shalini Ajay Singh do the same.
Hello everyone, and a very good afternoon. I'm sure you all are enjoying this beautiful performances and we're all having a great time today. I'm smitten by all the performances. Congratulations to the winners. And it gives me immense pride and pleasure to be introducing the man who needs no introduction like Revati just mentioned, Mr. Sameer Bharat Ram, a well-known and highly admired personality in the city for his work around entertainment and branding. With over 20 years of professional experience, Mr. Sameer has worked with companies like Hindustan Unilever and Mahindra Group. He has been a pioneer in brand management and something that I really admire as an entrepreneur myself. So it's great to see him work with brands like Kevin Cares, High Design, Indian Terrain, Hero Motors, NIIT, and many others to add to his list. He's learned from the very best, the legendary brand guru, late Sri Subrato Sengupta at IIM Calcutta. Mr. Sameer has shared his career with top professionals like Mr. Arun Nanda, Director Mahindra and Mahindra, Mr. C.K. Ranganathan, Chairman Kevin Care, and Mr. Madhu Makka from Ogilvy Worldwide. To add to many other feathers in his cap, he's founded the Super Talks, a production house focused on making Tamil cinema and OTT content. His first production was Uriyadi, sorry for the pronunciation in Tamil, co-producing it with director Nalan Kumarasamy. He's currently working on projects with Manikandan and Panikutti, if I'm not wrong. So sorry. He owns Tamil Nadu TT Super League and co-owns Chennai Lions, the Chennai franchisee in UTT. The biggest highlight of his career has been working on creating a distribution model prototype for the confectionery micro-priced products and promoting strategy at HLL. Worked on advertising, brand planning, side on Kevin Care's food business launches in Chinese masala range. He's also played a great role in launching the Zest business vertical with Mahindra Holidays. Thank you for sharing your valuable time with us, sir. The list goes on. He's really inspiring. I was reading your bio last evening and it has just filled me with so much inspiration, and I hope for you to be inspiring us, and thank you for being here. Thank you so much.
May we invite Sameer Bharat Ram to address the gathering, please.
Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, is it already? So, people on the dais, Mr. Srinivas Rao, President, past President, Mr. Selvan, and the sponsor, and the amazingly talented youngsters and Rotarians here of RCME. First of all, greetings from my club, Rotary Club of Chennai Capital, where I'm still a very new Rotarian. I still don't know protocol, so forgive me if I'm missing out on the, on the regular, whatever they say on stage, to people sitting here and there. So, yeah, so it's thank you so much for actually, actually thinking that I'm worthy enough to be giving away this award this morning. It's been an inspiring morning, and first of all, congratulations to the committee to kind of keep this going for 10 years. I mean, to build a property, yeah, I mean, I've been a tabler myself, I've seen what we do and all that, but to build a property and keep it going consistently for 10 years, not just keep it going for the heck of it, but curating it so well. I saw some names on the list, and I know a few boys, the billiards, who's becoming an international champion, Ram Kumar. I think the award is going to be lucky for both of you, right? So it's going to go a long way. So I think the kind of effort that's gone in is incredible. I just have one request on that. You guys are doing so much, to build this whole thing. I just wish you can scale it up a bit more, probably yearly give it to probably 7-8 people, make it a TV, worthy event. No, because the point is more people have to see this to get inspired. That's the whole point, right? Here, yeah, we have 100 of us sitting here. It's brilliant. All of us are inspired, but 1 million people should see what's happening today. So I think probably from next year, any help I can, I will. But if you can curate in such a way that, maybe 7-8 youngsters across art, sport, whatever, whatever categories you have, build it, talk to a TV channel, right? And make it national, because you can bring in awardees from across India, talk to a Star or a Colors and, get this going. So, but again, congratulations Vijay, Puneet and everybody for this. And yeah, and I'm a big fan of Steven already. I saw his TEDx performance 7 years ago, and incredible. I've been watching his videos. That's why I requested for a Mujhme, and I keep watching that particular video every now and then. And incredible what these people are doing at 17. Even now we behave like 16, 17-year-olds. We wake up very early, religiously, with a lot of effort, and go watch a Taiwan film in the morning at 4 o'clock. That's what I did last week. But beyond that, yeah. But it's amazing to to see these people do so much at such a young age. And Steven, what I can do is I also make cinema. Right, I please request you to sing for us in our next film, and which is next week. I would like you to come and meet my director and music director, crack a song and record for us. The music will be on Sony, so we're excited. So please do that for us. Yeah, why not? I mean, watch that sports season is not easy at all. It's not an easy job. It's incredible to see a girl from Chennai. In fact, I have to give you an example. So I support a foundation called Go Sports, based in Bangalore. Go Sports' objective is to build Olympians for the country. That's what Abhinav Bindra is on board, Rahul is on board, Gopi Chand is on board. I do whatever I can sitting in Chennai, but we've been for the last 7 years observing incredibly talented youngsters, not just needing support financially for their training, but also the right kind of mentorship. So there's something called the Rahul Dravid mentorship program that, somebody, I don't know if you've heard of this girl called Bhavani Devi, right? She is from Chennai. Incredible story. I've been seeing her for the last 6-7 years. Her dad was a temple priest, Koil Gurukul, Peramburla, right? And amazing. And she's doing something called fencing, and most of us haven't heard of fencing probably until recently, right? And she persisted, and beyond that, her mother persisted. That is in very, very important. And Bharat and Kavita, thank you for being such amazing parents to, allow kids to explore, what they do at. It's incredible, because when I used to live with my grandparents, and I got a scholarship at the Himalayan Mountain Institute when I was 13. So I went up to my grandfather and said, Grandpa, I want to climb mountains. He said, next time you're not even going to Tirupati. So yeah, we just, couldn't do anything. Every time I used to go, I was like, nothing doing. So I am at 40 trying to do what I missed out doing at 70, and trying to catch up. So it's incredible. So Bhavani, talking about Bhavani, I want you to be the next Bhavani from Chennai, representing India at the Olympics in 2024. And what I can do is put you on to Go Sports with Deepthi and probably try and get you into the mentorship program, so that can happen. And thank you again for inviting me. I think it's been an incredible morning, and thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Many interesting points from your talk. And as a token of appreciation, may we request President Srinivasa Rao to present our chief guest with a small memento.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for joining us here today to celebrate two young achievers who will undoubtedly go on to scale even greater heights in the coming years. This award is a recognition of their achievements and more importantly of their potential. I'd like to thank our chief guest Sameer Bharatram for joining us today and inspiring these two young achievers and all of us with his very inspiring words. Thank you IPP Rotarian Murugavel Selvan for sponsoring this award year on year, helping RCMA recognize and honor budding young achievers. It is indeed a wonderful initiative. Thanks to our team of judges who evaluated the entries and shortlisted today's deserving awardees. Thanks to today's MCs, Revati and Shivan. All the presenters today, thank you. And thanks to Rotarian Divya for the citation and other designs. And thanks to all of you, thanks to the parents for being here to receive the award today. And of course, thank you, Stephen, for that fabulous performance. You truly are a rock star. I hope you all enjoyed that short performance and the arrangements we put together for you today. Thank you, and I wish you all a very good afternoon.
இந்த யங் அச்சீவர் அவார்டு வந்து ஒரு 10 வருஷமாக எங்கள் ரோட்டரியில் நான் ஸ்பான்சர் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கேன். அது என்ன காரணம்னா வந்து யங்ஸ்டர்ஸை வந்து அவங்க ஒரு தொழிலோ ஒரு ஸ்போர்ட்ஸோ மியூசிக்கில் வந்து ஆர்வம் காட்டும் போதே அவங்களுக்கு என்கரேஜ்மெண்ட் பண்ணணும். ஜெயிச்சப்புறம் தான் பண்ணணும்னு இல்லை, பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கும்போதே பண்ணணும். அதனால தான் இந்த அவார்டை வச்சோம். ஓவர் த இயர்ஸ் பார்த்திங்கன்னா நிறைய பேர் நாங்கள் என்கரேஜ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இப்போ லிடியன் பியானிஸ்ட்டு, ராம்குமார் ராம்நாதன் டென்னிஸ் பிளேயர், அவங்கெல்லாம் சின்ன வயசுலேயே இங்கே வந்து அவார்ட்ஸ் வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. இப்போ உலக அளவில் அவங்க நல்லா பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறாங்க. எங்களால் செய்ய முடியாது கொஞ்சம் வந்து நாங்கள் அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு இன்ஸ்பிரேஷனாக இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ரெக்கக்னிஷன் கொடுத்தா அவங்களுக்கு அது நல்ல ஒரு ஊக்கம் கொடுக்குது. அதை இது மட்டும் இல்லை, நிறைய அவார்ட்ஸ் அவங்க வின் பண்ணுவாங்க. பட் எங்களால் ரோட்டரியில் என்ன யூத்துக்கு செய்ய முடியுமோ ஒரு அவென்யூ ஆஃப் சர்வீஸ் வந்து யூத் சர்வீஸ்ன்னு இருக்குது ரோட்டரியில். அதில் வந்து இந்த அவார்டை நாங்கள் கொடுக்குறோம். அது வருஷம் கொடுத்துட்ருக்கோம், இனிமேலும் கொடுத்துட்ருக்கோம். தேங்க்யூ.
அவார்ட் வாங்க 2 யங்ஸ்டர்ஸ்க்கும் வாழ்த்துக்கள். அவார்ட் வாங்கின 2 யங்ஸ்டர்ஸ்க்கும் வாழ்த்துக்கள். இன்ஃபேக்ட் தேங்க்யூ என்னை இங்கே கூப்பிட்டதுக்கு சீஃப் கெஸ்ட்டாக. எனக்கு ரொம்ப பெருமையாக இருக்குது இவங்க 2 பேருக்கும் அவார்ட்ஸ் கொடுத்தது. 10 வருஷமாக இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன் நடத்திக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க. பெரிய இன்ஃபேக்ட் அச்சீவர்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ நல்ல ஒரு அவார்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன் நடத்தாமல் அதை நல்லா க்யூரேட் பண்ணி அழகாக சூஸ் பண்ணி யார் டிசர்விங்கோ அது கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஐ திங்க் இந்த அவார்ட்ஸ் வந்து மேலும் வளரணும் இந்த கம்மிங் இயர்ஸ்லன்னு ஐ வாழ்த்துறேன். அண்ட் தேங்க்யூ. ப்ளீஸ் கண்டினியூ த குட் ஒர்க்.
நான் சீஃப் கெஸ்ட்டுக்கு தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லணுன்னு இருக்கேன். ஏன்னா அவர் வந்து 2 இது சொன்னார். இந்த 2 அவார்டீஸும் அவ்வளோ நல்லா பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அடுத்த பணத்தில் பாட்டு வந்து ஸ்டீவனுக்கு கொடுக்க போகிறாரு. அதே மாதிரி இன்னும் மேலும் கோச்சிங்க்கு வந்து ஹெல்ப் பண்ண போகிறாரு. ஸோ ரோட்டரி சார்பில் ஐ வாண்ட் டு தேங்க் த சீஃப் கெஸ்ட் அந்த ஜெஸ்டருக்கு அவர் செஞ்ச உதவிக்கு. தேங்க்யூ.
First of all, I want to tell that Rotary is doing a very great job. They are like supporting us a lot to do more great things for our motherland, India. Thank you, Rotary, for everything that you have done. And I'm very happy to be winning this award. And I also congratulate Tiasha also for winning this award. And once again, thank you, Rotary.
I'm really grateful to be able to achieve this award, being nominated, and it's a really good feeling. And after working so hard for so many years, I think it's a great level of motivation for both Stephen and I to be receiving this award from such a prestigious club as well. I would like to thank the chief guest for promoting Stephen and I both in our own separate ways in our fields to go and achieve better and bigger heights and to make India proud in the international arenas in our own fields as well. I would like to thank Selvan uncle for also hosting this and sponsoring this award as well. And I'm really happy to be able to be one of the awardees for 2021. Thank you very much.
ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் மெட்ராஸ் ஈஸோட பிரசிடென்ட் நான் இந்த வருஷத்துக்கு. என் பேர் ஸ்ரீனிவாஸ் ராவ். ஸோ இந்த யங் அச்சீவர் அவார்டு வந்து மோர் தென் 10 இயர்ஸாக நாங்கள் கொடுத்துட்டுருக்கோம். இது வந்து ஜஸ்ட்டு வந்து ஒரு இன்டர்நெட்டில் தேடி அந்த மாதிரி அவார்ட் கொடுக்கல. இதுக்குன்னு ஒரு கமிட்டி ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிவிட்டு 5 மெம்பர் கமிட்டி. இந்த கமிட்டி வந்து செவரல் யங்ஸ்டர்ஸை வந்து வேரியஸ் ஃபீல்ட்ஸில் செலக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ், எஜுகேஷன், மியூசிக்கு, சினிமா, அந்த மாதிரி வேரியஸ் சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸில் செலக்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஃபைனலி இந்த கமிட்டி வந்து இந்த அவார்டியை வந்து செலக்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அந்த அவார்டிகிட்ட வந்து கேட்பாங்க, நீங்கள் வந்து ரிசீவ் பண்ண விரும்புகிறீங்களான்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஒன்ஸ் அவார்டி வந்து எஸ்ன்னு சொன்னிட்டு வி கண்டக்ட் திஸ் ஃபங்க்ஷன். அண்ட் ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் மெட்ராஸ் ஈஸ்ட் வந்து இந்த யூத் சர்வீஸ் அவென்யூ மூலமாக பண்ணுறாங்க. இது இல்லாமல் ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் மெட்ராஸ் ஈஸ்ட் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், ஹெல்த் கேர், எஜுகேஷன் அண்ட் மெனி அவென்யூஸில் வந்து நாங்கள் சர்வீஸ் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டுருக்கோம். ஈவன் டியூரிங் கோவிட் டைம்ஸ்லாம் வந்து நிறைய சப்போர்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இந்த கவர்மெண்ட்டுக்கும் நாங்கள் நிறைய இந்த ஃப்ளட் டைம்ஸ்லாம் நிறைய சப்போர்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ இந்த யூத் சர்வீஸ் அவார்டு வந்து இது ஒரு மோஸ்ட் ப்ரெஸ்டிஜியஸ் அவார்டு எங்களுக்கு. அண்ட் ஐ கங்க்ராச்சுலேட் ஸ்டீவ் அண்ட் தியாஷா அகெயின் ஃபார் வின்னிங் திஸ் அவார்ட் திஸ் இயர் அண்ட் விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். யா, தேங்க்யூ.